Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Thursday, October 4th. It was a big day for the markets all across the planet today. Bernanke stimulus seemed to work. Commodities were up big. Precious metals were up big. Gold was up over 4%, silver almost 7.5%. Silver closed at 26.25 today. The Dow was up 220 points, about 2%. The NASDAQ was up 1.5%, and the S&P was up 2%. Treasuries, yields were down and prices were up. People are anticipating Bernanke bidding up the price of bonds. Folks, I said it before and I'll say it again. This is going to give you your opportunity to exit bonds. It's going to be the perfect exit strategy, and you ought to formulate a plan to slowly or more quickly phase out of bonds, probably over the next 2 to 3 months. I wouldn't do it any longer than that. Might be even shorter than that. The story of the day: commodities, precious metals, and miners lead the way. A couple days ago, I had a broad-based agricultural ETF, ticker MOO, M-O-O, that I had ready in the chute, ready to execute when Bernanke was speaking. If he was going to talk about flooding the market with money, I was going to be in. As soon as he said the right thing on TV, as I watched, I pulled the trigger. It's doing very well. In addition, I bought a little potash this morning when their trade fell through, their buyout from BHP Billiton. Seems the Canadian government didn't like an Australian company owning their diamond company. Also, Agrium, a fertilizer producer, didn't quite meet analyst expectations yesterday, even though their profit doubled. I don't like it quite as much as potash, but it was down pretty big this morning also. I bought it right after the market opened when it was down 2.5%, almost 3%, and it actually closed in the green today. Regular stocks will be good for the short to mid term, but for the long term, you're going to have to be in precious metals, mining, and commodities. Now, not only do I think they'll be safer, I think you'll make more money in them as well. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Thursday, November 4th, 2010.